Alright guys, and now I'm gonna ride the train back to Terminal D and E. I'm gonna go and sit right here in the middle. Alright, whoa, jeez. Yep. And here we go.
So is that D&E, is it combined stop?
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal D.
Yeah, they're two different terminals. Yeah, they're connected right to each other. D is mostly for international departures and E is mostly for arrivals. E is mostly for international arrivals, and it's also it could also be domestic departures too. Yeah, Terminal E is also domestic departures because that terminal is for United, and Terminal D is mostly for non-United international flights.
Just want to find that car.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, and the subway train, I love this subway train too. It's like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're going pretty fast too. It's like we're driving on the highway. And yep, we're arriving at D&E right now. This is more so like a roundabout.
Yeah, we could round it up.
Yep. But we're still going pretty fast. And this also feels like a roller coaster because it's making a really rough turn. Considering basically because we're going so fast still. Okay, now we're slowing down because we're arriving. Yep. Oh my goodness. I got the door for you guys.
You getting off?
Yeah, I'm getting off too. I'm just letting you guys out first. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh geez, the door is closing. Goodness. But now there goes the train. Yep. There it goes. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and go upstairs. Yep. My camera battery is like, my phone camera battery is about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and go upstairs. Well, I already arrived at D&E, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go upstairs and end the video. But those are the elevators here, like I shown earlier when I was here in the D Terminal Walkway and the International Arrivals area. And that's it.